In Iowa, every day, over 317,000 Iowa family caregivers do whatever it takes to keep their loved ones at home, safe, living as independently as possible. These are sons and daughters, husbands, wives, friends, family members. They are the unheralded backbone of our state's care system. And all too often, these family caregivers are left in the dark, especially when it comes to the medical care.
Family members are expected to do things that they are simply not well prepared to do. They need to take care of wounds, they give injections, they deal with lifting their loved one and help them with mobility issues. They manage multiple medications and they deal with their loved one's pain and often challenging emotions and behaviors. The CARE Act would provide much needed help.
All the CARE Act does is to allow Iowa's older population to designate a family caregiver to be provided with an explanation and demonstration of the medical tasks that the designated family caregiver will be required to perform.
Absolutely, any kind of education, information, and support we can provide to people with dementia and their caregivers is going to be essential to improving the quality of life. So the CARE Act in particular will benefit people with Alzheimer's and their caregivers by providing this education to continue the care at home, as well as information on community resources to support their family.
Today, we are activating all of our organization's members to urge and remind our state leaders to act on behalf of family caregivers and their families. We're communicating directly with our activists, many of whom are in the room here, and 380,000 Iowa AARP members to urge them to contact their legislators to include the CARE Act in one of the myriad of bills, especially budget bills, that are still under consideration and, in fact, just beginning to make their way through the legislature.